Today, I'm going to teach you how to change text position in DaVinci Resolve. This is a fundamental skill that will help you precisely place titles and captions exactly where you want them in your video projects. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once you have it up and running, take a look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several workspace options. Click on Edit to access the editing interface. This is where you'll be doing most of your text positioning work, and it provides all the tools you need for precise placement. Now that you're in the Edit workspace, locate the text clip on your timeline that you want to reposition. Click directly on this text clip to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see it highlighted on your timeline. This selection is important because it tells DaVinci Resolve which element you want to modify. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. Here you'll find a panel called Inspector. Go ahead and click on Inspector to open it. This panel is essentially your control center for all the properties of your selected text clip. The inspector gives you access to numerous parameters that let you fine-tune every aspect of your text, including its position, size, color, and much more. Once the inspector panel is open, you can edit various properties of your text. For positioning specifically, scroll through the inspector until you find the section labeled Position. This is where the magic happens. Within this section, you'll see two key parameters labeled X and Y. Let me explain how these work. The X parameter controls the horizontal placement of your text. When you adjust X, your text will move left and right across the screen. The Y parameter controls the vertical placement. Adjusting Y will move your text up and down. By using these two parameters together, you can place your text at any precise location on your screen. Simply click on the numerical values next to X and Y and either type in specific numbers or drag the sliders to adjust the position visually. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to reposition text in DaVinci Resolve. This simple technique gives you complete control over where your titles and captions appear in your videos. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.